You're gonna fly the entire flight with at half? Yeah, that's 3D printed planes for you. There's already a piece on the snow.
Where did it?
It's just a tiny little thing. I don't even know where it came from. It might even just be paint. All right, Ruiz's turn.
No.
All right, he can go again.
Or no,
Maybe.
Did we just rip out the wing star? No, we didn't. Okay. We just have to take this.
Looks like we're going again then. Oh, you might have pushed your motor in. Yeah, you totally pushed your motor in. All right, Rubus's turn. Are you just gonna like pull it back out?
Yeah, why not?
Bro pulled it out a bit too far.
Okay, well, it never flew.
Well, you can fix it probably. All right, Rubus, your turn.
It's gonna go out instantly.
Yeah. Once I tried to fly a plane with one half of a propeller, didn't work. To fly or not to fly? That is the question.
To not to fly.
You're gonna chicken out? Do you want me to fly it for you?
Yes.
All right, I'll fly it. Here you go.
Don't crash it, please.
I will do my very best not to crash it.
I think you should fly it.
I think Carter should fly it.
You guys ready?
Yes.
Okay, actually the gyro might be off. Let me just test that real quick. Nope, gyro's on. That was pretty easy. Alright, I'm bringing it in. Not too bad. All right, here goes. You guys ready?
Yep.
Woo.